Hey everyone, it's Nancy Ann. Today we have two different beauty subscriptions, the Allure Beauty Box and Eyescream Beauty Bag. Let's get into this. Welcome to Nancy Ann's Unboxings. I am really glad you are here today to help me unbox two of my favorite type of subscription boxes to open, and that is beauty boxes. So first we're going to have the Allure Beauty Box. Actually, I'm going to do this one second, but this one is my third time to unbox this. I really like it, and they put a really great, helpful pamphlet in there explaining what all of the different items are and how you can use them in combination with one another. But first, we are going to open the Eyescream Beauty Bag. Now, I have opened the Eyescream Beauty Box on the channel once before. That was a really great value. The box has 5 to 7 full-sized items. At least one palette is included in it, and it's only $25 a month. I really loved that one. Got a lot of useful things out of it, and the things I couldn't use I could gift with no problem. Now the bag is half the price. It is $12.50. It will have 3 to 5 items. Not positive there's a palette in here, but I think there, if I remember correctly, there is supposed to be. It just didn't say on the website for sure. And let's see, little bit. Oh, if you use my my code Nancy Ann 10, all capitals, you'll get 10% off of your purchase. So that's just for you guys. No skin in the game for me on this one. Just got a little discount for you. So the first box when you order is shipped within 7 days of ordering. So you're going to get that one pretty quick. And then after that, the renewals are shipped on the 15th of each month, and you have to cancel by the 2nd in order to cancel. And it's very easy to either skip an order or cancel or change from the box to the bag, however you want to do it. Okay, let's get into our bag. Now, normally the bags that I've seen, there is a picture of the Eyescream Beauty logo here. It's adorable. It's an ice cream and it's winking. It might be on the other side of the bag and completely covered up by the label. Either that or I got gypped and I didn't get a logo, but my address is on the other side, so y'all are looking at the wrong side of the package. I don't think there's a logo on this one, but let's go ahead and take a look at what is in here. Okay, so we have a little informational card that will really help me. It looks like this is the December Eyescream Beauty Bag. I think I did order this back in December. It's been waiting to be opened because I wanted to do it with Allure. We have 4 items. Let's see, this is the R2M Ready to Makeup Skin Fiber Illicit Foam Cleanser. Ooh, very nice. This looks like it's going to be a good cleanser for the skin. We'll look at the prices as they go in. I always love a good cleanser, and I'm thinking of Tina from Tina's Best Midlife. If you haven't checked out her channel, you probably have. Go check her out, but she loves a good foaming cleanser. So Tina, I'm thinking of you right now. And then we have a Lip Perfection pencil, and the color of this, I need my glasses, is it's raspberry. That's a really pretty pencil. And this is a color that I use a lot. And I can't remember if I filled out a profile with them or not as to my color preferences, but this is perfect for me. Let me get it out of here. So here is our color. Definitely a raspberry shade. I'm going to do a little swatch on my wrist here. Oh, it draws very nicely. You know, you really want in a lip liner for it to be kind of soft and have a nice drawing. Yep, I really like this color. This will work great for me. Okay, on to the next item. We have the Beauty Creations Dare to Be Bright, oh boy, eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about this one because as I'm getting older, I'm discovering that bright colors are not working out so good for me. But the good news is I can gift it or include it in a giveaway or something. If I ever figure out how to get it out of the container. Oh, there we go. It's in a sleeve. Well, before I take it out of this very difficult sleeve for it to remove it from, that's what it looks like before it comes out. I'm hoping things aren't quite so yellowy once the sleeve comes off. It looks like it's by a company called Bougie. No, it was a box. It was a little box. It was really hard to see that was a box. Okay, so here it is out of the box. This is not looking hopeful for me, but again, I can share it with someone. Okay, wow. Those are some vibrant colors right there. I'm going to keep that film because I am not keeping this, and I'm going to put it right back on. But aren't they pretty? They're just, I think, a little more intense color than I'm wearing at this stage in my life, but they're beautiful. This is going to go to someone who will appreciate it very much. And now we have the Heavenly Hues by Trend Beauty. We will find out what that is. So it looks like this might be a highlighter palette. Oh, such a pretty container. Isn't that gorgeous? That's the inside. It matches the sleeve perfectly. And there we, oh, this is nice. It looks like a highlighter and, you're gonna see my ring light, a highlighter and a little bit of a contour palette maybe. It has some shimmer to it. Very pretty. There's your colors, and it's got a mirror on the top for easy application. This is gorgeous. Very nice. I'm gonna have to play around with this and see if I can really use it. So, in the Eyescream Beauty Bag for $12.50, let's start with the Trend Beauty Heavenly Hues Highlighter Palette. This one retails for $13. So that's the highlighters. And then we have the Beauty Creations Bougie Eyeshadow Palette. This also retails for $13. There's $26. We only paid $12.50, right? Plus, if you use my referral code, you'll save another 10%. So it would be, what's $11.25? All right. Then we have the Bella Cosmetics Lip Liner. Should have got two of these. We did. Oh, we got two. I didn't see that. So we also have a beautiful red. I'm not going to swatch this because I want to move on to the Allure Beauty Box. This is gorgeous. Matter of fact, I have a couple of really good red lip liners, so this is going to go to someone else. So both of these are $6. So now we're at $29 worth of value. And then lastly, we have the Kaylin Cosmetics R2M Silk Fiber Illicit Foam Cleanser for $28. So that brought us up to what, a $47 value? Did I get my math right? I think I did. No, see, 29 plus 28. No, it's a $57 value for $12.50. This is awesome. Again, I don't get anything from it if you use my link, but I would highly recommend Eyescream Beauty, and I love that there's so much makeup in this. It seems like in so many of them these days, they do a lot of skincare, which I know I'm going to get in the Allure Beauty Box. So it's nice to get one where you have such beautiful colors and you can try some different makeups. And now we're on to the Allure Beauty Box. I really love this one, although I have to say I really like the Eyescream Beauty too. So this one runs $23 a box on their regular month-to-month subscription. If you use my link below for Allure, now this is an affiliate link, you will get $10 off of your first box. So you'll get this for just $13. That does give me a credit in their store. So just full disclosure there because it's an affiliate link, but I think you guys are really going to like this one. All right, let me tell you a little bit about it before we get on to the actual unboxing. $23 a month, billed monthly. If you prepay $60, you will get the subscription for 3 months. So that's a $3 a month savings. And then you can get it for $19 a box if you pay $228, and that is billed annually, and that's for 12 boxes. Good price there. So in this one, you get 7 new products, and in this particular box, it should be $182 value, $182 plus value, and it includes 5 full-size items. What else do I have for you? Yeah, I think that's it. That's the nitty-gritty on this one. So let's take a look and see what's inside. Love this one. Let's see what we got. And there we are. So there's the little pamphlet on the front that I love so much, and this just explains, and it helps me when I'm unboxing for you, but also it helps you when you get it, just to have some description on everything and then know what the item retails for full price so you understand the full value of what you've got. So first up, we have the Katie, I think that's how you pronounce that, London Fierce Flicks Precision Tip Liquid Liner. And I'm going to take it out because this is just going to reflect with my ring light. You're not going to be able to see the package. So this, well, that's going to reflect too. It's pretty packaging. It's very, very shiny. Can you see? Here's the liner inside. So this is a liquid liner. Let me see what it says about this one. It says, no matter what your skill level, the smooth formula and felt tip pen on this rich black liquid liner make dramatic eyes a cinch. It goes on skip free and is easy to control. So this would be a full size. And wow, the retail price is $19. I thought it said $89. $19 for 1.7 ounces. This is indeed a full-size product. And let's see what else we have here. And next up, we have the Dr. Botanicals Turmeric Superfood Restoring Treatment Mask. This one is a skin-soothing winter ritual you can look forward to. It's hydrating, an antioxidant face mask. It's good for dry spots and helps calm blemishes while staying juicy instead of drying down. Huh, that's nice. It doesn't dry up. So this one is $9.90 for 30 milliliters, and this is a full size. I'm excited about this one. This is the Christoph Robin Regenerating Serum with Prickly Pear Oil. Why am I excited? Because it is silicone free, and I try really hard to keep silicones off of my hair. So let me read you a little bit about this. It is a blow drying and heat tool protectant serum. It is silicone-free, shine enhancer, and is excellent at preventing new split ends and hiding existing ones. And the prickly pear oil and castor oil add tons of shine without weighing down even fine hair. And it tells you in this little pamphlet how to use each product. This is $49 for 50 millimeters, so this would be a full size. I'm excited about this one. And here is what it looks like out of the package. So it looks like it's a pump application for this one. Okay, next up we have the Elta MD Skin Recovery Toner. I go through a lot of toner, and I love when I get these because then I don't have to buy it at the grocery store. And this is probably better quality than anything I would get at the grocery store anyway. Said it's like a vanilla latte for your skin. It's comforting and energizing all at once. It hydrates, softens, and fortifies your skin's barrier with amino acids, and that helps keep a moisture in, especially now during the cold winter months. So let's take this out and take a look at what there we go. That is what the toner looks like. Really happy to have this one too. This is a good box. So the Elta MD Skincare Toner I just told you about, this retails for $20 for 3.4 ounce. This one is a 1.62 ounce, so it's a really good sized sample. Also in the pamphlet, I forgot to tell you earlier, they give you coupon codes here, like Allure 20 at checkout to receive 20% off many of these items. So you can go back and get the full size at a discount then on their website. Next up, we have a sample size of the Sunday Riley CEO Afterglow Brightening Vitamin C Cream. I am so happy to get this one. This is something I will use. I got a Belief vitamin C cream in an Allure Beauty Box that my skin absolutely loves, and I've had a hard time finding it for sale on the website. So let me tell you a little bit about this one. The full size is 1.7 ounces and it's $65. I'm just going to tell you that at the beginning because I keep forgetting to say the prices. And this will be a sample size, obviously. This Sunshine Yellow Gel Cream with vitamin C makes skin all around dewier, more even toned, and brighter. So much so that one editor has started skipping her usual highlighter after just 2 weeks of using this. So that's pretty cool. Do we want to take a look inside at the Sunshine Yellow? Let's just take a peek. Oh yeah, that's a bright yellow. Look at that. And it has, you can tell there's no fragrance in it. It's a very clean scent, but I think that's just ingredients I'm smelling, and it smells a little bit astringent to me, but that's probably the vitamin C in there. Last item in the box. This is the First Aid Beauty KP Smoothing Body Lotion. So this is the full size, and it retails for $30. It is fortified with 10% lactic acid, which is a gentle chemical exfoliant that also hydrates, and it smooths coarse, dry, or bumpy skin on the body. That is pretty neat. Very happy to have that one. So in our box, we got the CEO Afterglow Vitamin C Recovery Cream, sample size, very nice size sample size. We got the 2 turmeric superfood exfoliating facial mask, good for acne, also sample size. And we got the sample size Skin Recovery Essence Toner. This is a really big sample size. And then full size, we got the liquid eyeliner by I'm going to say that's Ciate. It looks like it's French. Fierce Flicks, liquid eyeliner. We got the KP Bump Erasing Body Scrub with 10% alpha hydroxy acids. And we got the Christophe Robin Regenerating Serum. Very great. Really good value on both of these boxes. So go down and find my referral link to get some money off, $10 off of your first Allure Beauty Box, or use my code for 10% off of Eyescream Beauty Box or Bag. So there we are, the Allure Beauty Box and the Eyescream Beauty Bag. Let me know down in the comments which one you liked better, if you had a preference, which item you liked the best in these. If you've had any experience with any of these items, I'd really love to hear that from you. I'm just kind of getting started in the skin stuff. I'm not so up on skincare. Makeup I know, skincare not so much, and I'm really not up on brands. So if you guys could let me know what you think of different products in these boxes, I would really appreciate it. I'd also appreciate it if you could give the video a quick like. These videos, they don't do as well as my clothing videos, so anytime somebody hits a like, I super appreciate that. And if you like all sorts of different types of unboxings, I would be more than honored if you would subscribe. With that, I will let you go. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye, and be blessed. Ugh, that was rough. And my chair, it's so creaky. I can't hear myself think. But we made it through.